Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. This is Gab from Tech Tips for Business. For today's video, we are going to talk about how to search for data in Microsoft Excel. Let's get started. First, why is search important? Search is important because whenever we have convoluted data like this, where there's just tons of numbers and names, we should be able to find easily what we're looking for by manually typing what we need. In order to find a certain data, all we have to do is go to the Home tab in Microsoft Excel and go to the Editing group and click on Find and Select. Once we do so, go ahead and click Find. We can easily try to type whatever we need. Let's say I'm looking for, Justin. Once we click on Find All, we should be able to see where Justin belongs. He's apparently in row 34 in column B. Now, this is indicated here that he belongs in what I said, column B, row 34, within sheet 1 in our spreadsheet or workbook. Next, if we're trying to find certain formulas within our workbook, all we have to do is click on Options. Here, we can easily see certain options that appeared. If ever we want to see formulas that involve sum in it, we should leave the look-in function over here to Formulas. We can either set it to Others, but for now, since we're looking for sum within formulas, let's keep it the same. Now, by typing sum and clicking on Find All, we should be able to see all of the sums that are available within the worksheet. As you can see, there's a lot because the whole column over here has sum in it. Now, if we try to select all of the data, all of the cells within the total column will be highlighted. This is because each and every one of them contains sum. And there we have it. This is how we use the search function in Microsoft Excel.